Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about egg. So, at the end of the lesson, you should define what is egg, identify the main parts of the egg, and know the important care and the storage of eggs. Lastly, is to know the uses of eggs. So, let us know what is egg. So, eggs are poultry products from chicken, duck, and quail that are eaten as food. An egg is a reproductive cell from which a new organism develops. This will occur only if the egg has been united with a male sperm. So chicken eggs is the most widely consumed type of egg in the world, while duck is the next most popular. Other eggs like those of the reptiles bayawak and the turtle used to be consumed as food in some parts of the Philippines. In the island of Palawan, eggs of the white bird, the bon, are considered a prized delicacy. Today, the consumption of bird and reptiles are banned for the environment preservation because these animals have been become endangered species. So let's proceed to the main parts of an egg. So the first part is the yolk. This is the yellow or orange portion of found in the center of the egg, and it constitutes approximately 31% of the weight of the egg. It contains a small white yolk called latebra extending from its center to the germ where the bell of the chick begins if the egg is fertilized. Next is the white part of egg. White part of eggs is also called the albumin and is constituted of 58% of the egg weight. It has three layers, a thin, outer white, and a thick white. Thin adjacent to the yolk is also contains lysosome, a germical agent which dissolve the cell membrane of bacteria. A protein in albumin called coalbumin binds with iron, making it unavailable for bacteria growth. Next is the shell membrane. There are two membranes, an inner and outer, one which are readily seen when peeling hard-cooked eggs. One of these adheres to the shell. This gets separated as contents shrink. These membranes are important defenses against spoilage. These are made of keratin morsia. Next is the shell. This is made up mainly of calcium carbonate. It is brittle, rigid, and impervious. It has many tiny pores which allow gases to pass in or out of the egg. For the developing embryo, the shells serve as a protective covering that aids in the maintenance of its freshness. Lastly is the air cell. Air cell is a pocket of air usually found at the large end of the egg between shell membranes, also caused by construction of contents while egg cools after laying. It also increases size with age. So egg is indeed one of the nature's complete food. It contains high quality protein with all the essential amino acid. Inner shell membrane is a barrier to microorganisms. Eggs out of shell are highly perishable. Your leftover white is good for 10 days, covered and refrigerated. Your leftover yolk is good for 3 days, covered with thin layer of water, milk, or oil. It is also need to be refrigerated. So let's proceed to the care and storage of eggs. So eggs is deteriorate after they are laid, but since they are actually constructed to protect a living organism, the chick germ nature has to provide that eggs may last for about 7 days at the room temperature. For a longer period, they should be stored in the refrigerator. Storage in a closed container prevent loss of moisture and carbon dioxide. At home, never wash eggs in water to prevent breakage of the shell membrane. Simply remove dirt by wiping and cleaning damp cloth, or if it's not obviously dirty, we clean a dry cloth during storage. Stand the egg on its broad end. let's proceed to the uses of eggs. So this is some of the examples of the uses of egg. Egg is cooked as a protein dish, enhances the nutritional value of other foods. It is also a raising agent, binding substance and coating, also a thickening agent, emulsifying agent, and glazing and sealing, clarifying fluids, and also a controlling crystallization, and also it is adding color and flavoring to our foods. So that's the end of our discussion. Thank you all for listening.